So students, from this video we will start exercise 3.6, our last exercise of third chapter. Solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Now you can see here that कि these two equations are not a pair of linear equations. Okay, ये pair of linear equations अभी नहीं है, but it can be reduced. They can be reduced to पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. हम उनको लीनियर इक्वेशन के जैसे बना सकते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो कैसे बनाते हैं, लेट अस सी. रीराइटिंग अबव इक्वेशंस एज हम ऊपर की दो इक्वेशंस को कैसे लिख सकते हैं. नाउ 1/2x कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, 1/2 into 1/x ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. ओके, 1/2x कैन बी रिटन एज लाइक दिस. सिमिलरली प्लस 1/3y कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, 1/3 into 1/y equals to 2. ओके, सिमिलरली 1/3x can be written as 1/3 into 1/x plus again 1/2y can be written as 1/2 into 1/y equal to 13/6. तो ये हमने लिखा. आई होप आपको यहाँ तक तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ओके, सो नाउ लेट 1/x इक्वल्स टू, लेट अस टेक 1/x इक्वल्स टू u. सपोज दैट हमने 1/x को क्या ले लिया, एक और वेरिएबल ले लिया. वी हैव टेकन 1/x एज व्हाट, u, and 1/y as v. Okay, you can take mn also. Okay, pl also, oq also, कुछ भी ले सकते हो. I have taken 1/x here as u and 1/y as v. Is that clear? Therefore above equations will become above equations will become what. अब देखिए, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, you can see it very carefully. This will be what, 1/2 into 1/x can be written as what, u. So this is what, 1/2 into u plus 1/3 into, now 1/y can be written as what, v. तो हमने इसको क्या लिख दिया, v equals to 2. Is that clear students? And similarly 1/3 into x, 1/x can be written as u, okay, plus 1/2 into 1/y can be written as v equals to 13/6. So this means what, this will become u/2 plus v/3 equals to 2 and u/3 plus v/2 equals to 13/6. I hope आपको यहाँ तक तो क्लियर हो गया होगा. So we can take LCM of this, है ना, हम दोनों का LCM ले सकते हैं. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be what, 6. Okay, so here what will be multiplied, 3 will be multiplied. So यहाँ पे आएगा 3u plus here 2 multiplied with v, so it will become 2v equals to 2. And similarly इसका भी LCM आएगा हमारा 6. Okay, so again u के साथ क्या multiply होगा इधर, 2. So this will become 2u. Similarly it will become 3v equals to 13/6. आई होप आपको यहाँ तक तो क्लियर हो गया होगा. ओके, नाउ फर्दर जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट व्हाट, 3u plus 2v equals to 12. ये हमें मिल जाएगा, 3u plus 2v equals to 12. ओके, एंड हेयर यू कैन कैंसिल 6. आप यहाँ पे 6 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो हेयर 6 and 6 गेट्स कैंसिल, बिकॉज 6 अगर यहाँ पे जाएगा तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होके न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा, एंड 6 and 6 कैन गेट्स कैंसिल्ड. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, 2u plus 3v equals to 13. ओके, सो consider this as your first equation, this is your first equation, and this is your second equation. Is that clear? So now we can solve this by any of the method that we have studied earlier. हम कोई भी method से इसको solve कर सकते हैं. Either you can do it by substitution, I can do it by cross multiplication or by elimination. So let us solve this by cross multiplication method. Okay, so solving 1 and 2 by cross multiplication method, what we will get now, हमको क्या क्या मिल जाएगा. Now see, by cross multiplication we know that हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं. Now here variable is what, u, so we will write u upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1. equal to, second variable is v, so v upon c1a2 minus c2a1 equals to 1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. Is that clear, students? Okay, so now therefore now you can see here that अगर हम इसको अब कंपेयर करें, हमको इसको पहले कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा, हमको इस इक्वेशन को यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, देयरफॉर इक्वेशंस 1 and 2 can be rewritten as, now this can be written as what, 3u plus 2v minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, this is your first equation, and 2u plus 3v minus 13 equals to 0. This is your second equation. Why we have written this equation like this? Because we have to solve it by cross multiplication method, and in cross multiplication method right hand side में हमेशा क्या होता है, 0. That is why we have written it like this. Okay, so let us compare the values. अब हम इसकी values देख लेते हैं. So a1 will be equals to what? a1 will be 3, b1 will be what? 2, c1 will be minus 12. Similarly a2 will be 2, b2 will be 3 and c2 will be minus 13. Is that clear? I hope आपको इतना तो clear हो गया होगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड हमने कई बार पढ़ी है. So let us solve this. Okay, so हम यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं. x upon b1 c2. b1 c2 means what? 2 into minus 13 minus b2 c1. So what is our b2? 3 into minus 12 equals to y upon c1 a2. c1 a2 means what? Minus 12 into 2 minus c2 a1. What is our c2? Minus 13 into a1. a1 is what? 3. Is that clear? Equals to 1 upon, now a1 b2. a1 b2 means what? 3 into 3 minus a2 b1 means what? 2 into 2. Is that clear, students? So this implies we will get x upon 3 into minus 13 will, sorry, 2 into minus 13 will be minus 26. Minus into minus is what? Plus, and 3 12s are 36 equals to y upon, now minus 12 into 2 will be minus 24, minus into minus is plus, 13 into 3 will be what? 39 equals to 1 upon 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. Is that clear? So this means what? This will be x upon 10 equals to y upon, this will be what? 15. Okay, equals to 1 upon 5. So in order to find the value of, sorry, this is, ये हमारा u है. Okay, sorry, this is our u and this is our v. Similarly this is our u and this is our v, because हमने u और v लिया हुआ है. Okay, we have taken variable as what? U and v. That is why we are writing it as what? U and v. Now in order to find u, we will compare our first and last ratio. So therefore we will get u upon 10 equals to 1 upon 5. This implies u equals to 10 upon 5, which means what? U equals to 2. So you will get u as 2. Similarly, in order to get v हमें कैसे मिलेगा? We will compare our second and third ratio. So we will get what? And v upon 15 equals to 1 upon 5. This implies v equals to 15 upon 5, or v equals to, we know that 5 3s are 15, so v equals to what? U equals to what? 1 upon x. Now since u is coming 2, क्योंकि हमारा u 2 आ रहा है, this means what? Our u is what? 1 upon x. So we have substituted the value of 1 upon x in place of u. So u की जगह हमने 1 upon x लिख दिया. So u equal to 2 implies what? 1 upon x equals to 2. This means x equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, हमने reciprocal ले लिया both sides. Similarly, our v equals to what? v क्या है हमारा students? 3. Now since we know that v equals to what? 1 upon y, है ना? v क्या था हमारा? 1 upon y था. Therefore 1 upon y equals to 3. This implies y equals to 1 upon 3. So we are getting y as what? 1 upon 3. So this is our final answer. Therefore our final answer is what? X equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3. इज योर फाइनल आंसर। सो आई होप आपको यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया होगा। ओके, दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट पार्ट।